Hey, all right, GR Church and or Tyler. So here's how you post to Subsplash. So I'm just going to kind of show you the behind the scenes, and then I'll show you just like the step-by-step stuff. So this is the website. Obviously, you go to the homepage, and if you want to see where the sermons are, you click on sermons, and then anything you post to Subsplash is automatically going to be added to this embedded like app, and that's what's cool about Subsplash is it's got that embedded feature, and then you'll be able to play it from there, download the file, share it, and yeah, that's the basics of Subsplash. Anytime you upload an audio file, you want to have artwork that matches that audio file, and then a series that you are uploading to as well. So if it's like a guest speaker, then create like what we call a media series here, and that then the new media series would be like guest, right? And then you would just add the guest speaker to that playlist. And that's important because then once the podcast is all set up, which is almost all set up, we just need the final login and all that. But as soon as you upload using that feature of creating a media series, and then after that creating a media item, then it gets populated to the podcast. So let me just show you in about 5-10 minutes how that looks. So you create a media series. This one's going to be Revive, and then subtitle is, I got it right here, I forget what it is, the new normal. Yeah, that's right, new normal. All right, and then over here is the artwork that you would want to upload. So there's the square version. So here's what you would want to do. So you just grab your artwork and drag it over, and ideally having it be a square, visually look good in a square is ideal, but it's not always the best solution for speed. So for now, what I'm going to just do is just use the current graphics that we have. Actually, do have the shareables, and that's more of a square. Yeah, so I'm going to use that for this. So this wide one, you can use the screen graphic, because that one is there. For the square, I'm going to change that out for this one because I think that's going to not crop. And let's see, yeah, there we go. Okay, so that's good for the square, and then for the banner, that's for this right here, right? So this is like actually no, for the series, the banner is going to be this right here. Okay, so that needs to be a little bit more wide than regular, but the screen graphic is generally going to be the wider graphic that you get delivered, and so using that for now is going to be the best solution. So let that upload. Once that's uploaded, all three of those graphics uploaded, then you can say save, and then after that we're going to create the media item, and that's going to be the location where you upload the audio file. Okay, so at the moment that works really well. Okay, so now we're going to say publish. So save is fine, but for now I'm just going to go publish because we want this. Actually, I don't want to publish because we don't actually have the Revive audio. So I'm just going to say save for now. If you do have the audio, then you would publish, and then immediately after that post the actual sermon that you want to create. So this is create media item. Now in here we are adding to the Revive series, and so the first title for this series was going to be called The New Normal for My Community. Okay, the new normal for my community. All right, so we're going to add that. Okay, subtitle, speaker, Cody Cole's already in there. That was last on the 7th. You can do a description there. If you have the video file, then you just upload there, and you do the same process where you just grab it, drag it in. For now, I'm just gonna demo that. If you have notes, then that's where you upload the notes. And then this web link thing, you can ignore this stuff. We don't really need any of that. And then once that's done, then you can hit a save draft or publish. And if you hit publish, then it's going to be added to this screen right here. Okay, and so let me, for now, you know what? I am going to just publish this, and then what I'll do is unpublish it right after this recording. But that's as easy as it is, guys. As soon as that file is uploaded and you hit publish, this is to the world on the website. And actually I am not going to go, because this still needs to process in the background. This is like 500 gig, actually 54 megabytes. Wow, that's going really slow. So usually once this is loaded, then it'll be ready to be listened to on the website. I changed my mind, I'm not going to actually post it, but all you need to do from this point is come in here and hit publish. Okay, and then that's just going to automatically add it to the website and to the podcast. But yeah, hey, hopefully if you don't have any more questions about this, then this should be the only video you need to watch to learn how to post sermons to your website. Also, one thing I did miss is go to subsplash.com to log in, and then use your login, click login. And then that's where you're going to hit add app dashboard, log in right there, and then that's how you get to the home page, which is where you're going to go to on demand. You're going to say on demand there, and then this is where you're going to upload your media content to. So you would want to select the sermon series first, and then create media for the next sermon that you're adding to this list of sermons for this sermon series. All right, guys.